I've been working on this. Welcome back to Stockman Originals. Just thought I'd do a little catch me up thing to let you know what I've been up to lately. I've been very busy doing scrimshaw, kind of a different sort of scrimshaw. Usually scrimshaw is, etched on pictures on whale's teeth or tusks or whatnot, but I add a little twist to it by carving it too. Carving it first. So I've been working on this, which is a walrus tusk, and I'm probably, well, I'd like to think better than halfway done, but quite a bit left to do. So on a piece like this, first thing, of course, I'd attack it with a pencil and lay out a plan, and then I would scratch in most of the design kind of lightly, suggestively, and then go after it with chisels, and I use, I rough out with a rotary tool, take off the bulk material, but this kind of carving, there's not a lot of bulk, it's fairly shallow relief, but the effect that you get by carving it first, I just think it really pops. You don't see too much of it like that, and I know why. It's a long time. The pigment is a stain that I use made out of walnut husks. It's you just take I use dry walnut husks because it's less messy, but you put it in water and boil it and simmer it down and thicken it up, and it makes a wonderful pigment, and people use it all over the world. I didn't invent it. But so that gets applied after the detail's done. If you didn't put in some sort of ink or stain, a lot of the detail would be lost, white on white, you can have to rely on shadows and stuff. So this makes it kind of pop out there and look nice. And then on the end, this tusk head's been clipped, and this is a walrus tusk. There's probably 3 or 4 inches missing on the end of this tusk. I've been cut off. You can see the core part, quite substantial at this end. That would have gone up into like a jaggedy looking mountain peak that is the anchor, or part of the anchor that holds it into the walrus's jaw or upper skull. And so anyway, I don't like it just cut off, so I'm going to make a silver cap that will have more added to it before I'm done with that. But anyway, it just kind of cleans it up nice. I'll post more on this as I get closer to being done. Thanks for checking it out.